High-efficient transport technology for dredged soil is inspiring hope to the marine engineering industry, which is developed by Dredging, Reclamation, and Transport Research Unit. This technology is improved in efficiency of 30% more than the existing transport technology for dredged soil through the pipes. So it has the economic advantage and feasibility of 30-kilometer long-distance transport by the electropulsation and generating plug flows.
준설도 확보 매립 이승연구단은 한국해양과학기술원을 연구 주관기관으로 하고 코리아 살비지를 협동기관으로 하고 있으며 새만금을 관리하고 있는 농어촌공사의 농어촌연구소가 공동기관으로 들어와서 연구를 추진하고 있습니다. 연구단의 핵심 역할은 준설투를 장거리를 이송할 수 있는 펌프 압송 기술을 개발하는 것이 핵심 기술이 되겠습니다.
Our transport technologies are based on the three core elements. The first is the plug flow generation, which transports the fluid by plug flow. The second is the electric magnetic generation, which minimizes the flow friction resistance by the electric magnetic fields. And the third is the tornado generation, which strengthens the momentum by the swirl. The plug flow generator shoots out the strong compressed air into the pipes when the soils go through the pipes and provides the momentum force to transport the slurry by generating plug flow in the fluid. Our research team carried out the field test at KR3000, the dredging vessel which is able to dredge and unload at the same time, and the vessel is used in Japan. The core technology, electric magnetic generator, performs the important role in improving and controlling the flows by generating the electric fields with coils around the pipes. This is the technology used for descaling solution in Germany. The electric pulsation improves the flow velocity at the inner surface of the pipes with the electric coils. It is the same magnetic phenomenon where water molecule is moved to the magnetically charged plastic stick. And another noticeable technology is the tornado generator. This changes the plug flow to a tornado shape by highly accurate electric pulses. The generated swirl forms the thin layers at the inner surface of the pipes and lowers the friction resistance. This picture shows the difference in the flow velocity and the friction resistance between the case with swirl generating plug flow with liquid film and the case without the swirl. The expert system has the data of the flow state by monitoring system and controls the fluid flow. It is based on the knowledge from analyzing the flow state data. The expert system has the special algorithms numerically analyze results and monitor data. It is able to diagnose the flow states automatically without experts or engineers and provides the best controlling environments for smooth transport and reduces the maintenance costs ultimately. Especially, the mesh network is applied for the long-distance data transmission from the monitoring point to the analyzing server. It has the self-healing function, so there are few communication failures. The result of field experiments shows that this transport technology elevates the flow velocity of more than 30% in the pipelines. And there are few blockage in the low velocity since sediment could occur in the bottom of the pipes. This technology is not only economical, but also is able to dredge and transport at the same time and minimize the environmental damages. Especially 30-kilometer long-distance pipeline transport technology could reduce the cost to about $100 billion in the case of big-scale reclamation projects, such as Saemangum in Korea. And it is able to combine dredging and reclaiming to create ports. It could contribute to the dredging market in Southeast Asia, which continues to grow around China and the Middle East market. This technology might provide the new competitiveness for many progressive companies that play in the world dredging market and suggest a new vision of eco-friendly dredging and reclamation.